Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my homely food channel. So the recipe I'll make today for all of you who want chicken every day for reducing fat and who wants a good amount of protein. This chicken recipe is going to be very helpful to achieve your goal. Before moving further, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for future notification. And don't forget to like and share this video. Now we have 300 gram of chicken breast and I cut into the small pieces. Now I'm adding oregano and mixed herbs 1 teaspoon. This oregano and mixed herbs give a very different flavor to the chicken. Also I'm adding half teaspoon chili flakes. This chili flakes is not so spicy, so don't worry to add into the chicken. As we all know, red chili has vitamin C that support the immune system and also it directly burns down the calories. Also it has a powerful antioxidant that clearing the blockages in blood vessels and arteries. That's why I'm adding it. And not only I'm using a red chili peppers, I'm also using and adding black pepper powder. That's for half teaspoon. And also I'm adding now black salt, half teaspoon. Black salt also has low salt content, that's why it decreases the heartburn and bloating. Now I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon garlic paste and half teaspoon olive oil. Garlic also antioxidant and work as a antibiotic. Now I'm adding half teaspoon chaat masala, just give it a good flavor to it, it's totally optional. Mix all the spices and chicken pieces very nicely. Now I'm adding half lemon juice and mix and keep it for rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can see I'm using very less oil and very less ingredient to make this recipe because I don't want to make this recipe very complicated. Now I'm heating pan over low flame and adding oil. I'm using half teaspoon olive oil and heat it. Now we have to saute sliced onion and capsicum. These veggies are very supporting for the chicken. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon Szechuan sauce. You can add Szechuan chutney or chili garlic sauce, whatever you like it. Now I'm adding marinated chicken pieces. Mix and cook over low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. Gradually you will be able to see the chicken releases its water, so we have to cook until chicken reduce its water or moisture gets disappeared. Once chicken gets tender or the moisture or water gets reduced, then your chicken breast recipe is now ready. This 300 to 200 gram cooked chicken breast contain 54 to 70 gram of protein. This much protein is enough for daily basis. Chicken breast is an excellent source of lean protein, means a protein without a lot of fat. So who eats enough protein are more likely to maintain a muscle mass and preserve a healthy metabolism. If you have a good metabolism, you can reduce fat very easily and very fast. I think I have given lots of knowledge and information about this recipe, about this nutrition values also. So that's it for the day. So I am leaving now. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.